Here's some big breaking news coming in. The Seers currently facing nationwide outrage over their hate speech in Haridwar currently remain defiant. They claim that self-defense is their right guaranteed under the constitution. In fact, Swami Prabodhanand Giri, who was one of the speakers at the Dharma Sansad, has called for Myanmar-like ethnic cleansing. Giri claims Hinduism is in danger. This comes as Uttarakhand DGP, on the other hand, assures action will be taken against those inciting violence. An FIR has been filed but none arrested. In the meanwhile, the Seers now, who are currently facing nationwide outrage for their hate speech, still remain defiant. They claim that self-defense is their right guaranteed under the constitution. Swami Prabodhanand Giri, who was one of those speakers at the Dharma Sansad, says he in fact himself called for Myanmar-like ethnic cleansing, saying that Hinduism is currently under danger.
सत्रह, 18 और 19 दिसंबर को धर्म संसद के नाम पर जो कि समाज के लिए एक आत्मघाती साबित होने वाला वसीम रिजवी उर्फ नारायण त्यागी, जो जिसने अब धर्मांतरण कर लिया है, वो आया और उसके साथ में और भी अन्य महाराज जैसे नरसिंहानंद और प्रबोधानंद जी, उन्होंने यहाँ पर आके एक तो सत्यमेव जयते का नारा बदलकर उसको अस्त्रमेव जयते कर दिया और वहाँ पे उन्होंने आकर एक धर्म विशेष के खिलाफ इतनी आपत्तिजनक और भड़काऊ बयानबाजी की कि मैं आपको इसमें नहीं बता सकता। और उन्होंने यहाँ तक, प्रबोधानंद जी ने तो यहाँ तक कहा कि इनको म्यांमार की तर्ज पर यहाँ पे मुसलमानों का सफाया किया जाए और बहुत ज़्यादा भड़काने का उन्होंने प्रयास किया। इसलिए हमें सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से ज्ञात हुआ था। 19 तारीख की मेरे पास वीडियो भी है, मेरे मोबाइल पे मैंने सेव की थी, लाइव चला रखी थी उन्होंने। तो उसके आधार पे हमने हरिद्वार कोतवाली में वसीम रिजवी और स्वामी नरसिंहानंद और प्रभुनंद के खिलाफ एक FIR दर्ज कराई, जिसमें पुलिस के द्वारा वसीम रिजवी पर ही मुकदमा दर्ज किया गया है, बाकी को अज्ञात में रखा गया है। लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि उन पर NSA के तहत कार्रवाई की जाए।
हमने अपनी तरफ से कुछ नहीं कहा, हमने तो ये कहा हमारे सनातन धर्म, हमारे सनातन संस्कृति की परंपरा है कि हर देवी देवता पर अस्त्र है और अस्त्र की पूजा है तभी देवता की पूजा है। तो हर हिंदू को अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए शस्त्र लेकर खड़े रहना चाहिए। आने वाले समय में और आ गया जो समय हमले का है, उसे अपनी आत्मरक्षा करनी चाहिए। अगर आत्मरक्षा आप लोग अपराध मानते हो, आप आत्मरक्षा आप गैर कानूनी मानते हो,
आत्मरक्षा की बात नहीं हुई ना सर,
आप मानते रहो भाई।
लेकिन सर वहाँ पे आत्मरक्षा की बात, सर वहाँ पर आत्मरक्षा की बात नहीं हुई ना, वहाँ पर तो एथनिक क्लेंजिंग की बात कर दी ना सर आपने। एथनिक क्लेंजिंग की बात मैं कह रहा हूँ।
ये जो अंग्रेजी का शब्द बोल रहे हो, इस अंग्रेजी के शब्द को तो मैं जानता नहीं।
जी जी,
आप इसका क्या अर्थ है, ठीक है ना। लेकिन हमने प्रतिकार की बात कही है, हमने हमले की बात नहीं कही।
नहीं, ऐसी चीजों के लिए हमारे उसमें कोई जगह नहीं है और ये पूर्णतः गलत है और ऐसे उस पर कार्रवाई की जाएगी। एज पर लॉ, कानून के अनुसार कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
सर अगर कुछ बड़े नाम आ जाते हैं सामने तो ऐसे में पुलिस
नहीं, जो भी है, जिसने भी कानून के हिसाब से गलत किया उसकी कार्रवाई होगी उसके ऊपर।
All right, let me quickly cut across to Mohit Sharma reporting live from Haridwar. Mohit, we heard the seers who were present at the Dharma Sansad who gave out open calls for Muslim genocide, now remaining defiant, saying that they have the right to defend themselves under the constitution and also trying to defend what they said, while also stressing on the fact that Hinduism is currently in danger and they didn't mean what they said. Let's take us through exactly what the police now believes in the statement and the FIR that's now been filed. Are they going to carry out an arrest, while we hear the DGP saying he will take action? No action so far.
Well, the police, it seems, was a bit confused ever since the video started pouring in, and especially after the outrage that was seen on social media. In fact, earlier when we had seen the few versions from the police that came about to be, they were very clear and went on to say that they haven't really, seen into the videos and they're still trying to investigate. And this, despite the fact that this is, these are the videos that we're talking about are almost 4 days old, and today it becomes the 5th day. More importantly, while later in the night yesterday an FIR was registered under 153A of the IPC. The fresh versions that are coming in from the police force of Uttarakhand clearly indicates that how, it seems that they are taking their own good time in making arrest or even going ahead with the investigation in this matter. On the other hand, when we spoke to the seers, they were very clear about one part, that there is nothing essentially wrong in what they had said. They went on to, try to justify as to how, they were only talking about self-defense and nothing else. There was defiance to the tune that, their defiance in the sense that they are against what is happening, against the majority community here in India. At the same time, they are not calling for a genocide against any community. On the other hand, something very interesting also happened. While we were speaking to Swami Prabodhanand Giri, I beg your pardon, he went on to say that he does not believe that these FIRs have any truth to them. He went on to say that the police investigation is not always right or is an honest opinion. And clearly, he also went on to say that, whatever happens or whatever may happen, we'll look into it. But clearly, the defiance from the side of the seers continue. And more importantly, with the dilly-dally attitude of the police force, it's a clear indication that we may still have to wait before an actual, action is taken against the organizers of this Dharm Sansad, and more importantly, the speakers who are addressing that congregation
Right.
between 17th, 18th and 19th.
All right, Mohit Sharma, stay with us.